Now, we are moving to our next topic, that is photosynthesis. Do you know what is this photosynthesis? We studied it in our small classes. In the beginning, we studied photosynthesis as the process of preparing food by plants. Later, we studied what are the components used by plants for doing this process. What are the different components used by plants for undergoing photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide, sunlight, water, in presence of green pigment chlorophyll. It will undergo photosynthesis and it is happening in the leaf. As a result of that, glucose or food along with oxygen is also produced. The food produced will be utilized by the different part of the plant. Oxygen will be released out, which is used for respiration process by human beings. Now we will see how the different components are reaching in the leaf for doing photosynthesis. I already told you the process of photosynthesis is occurring in leaf. The green colored leaf, that is leaf containing the green pigment chlorophyll. This leaf contains some small pores at its surface, which we call by a term stomata. Leaf contains small pores at the surface of it, which is called stomata. Through these holes or pores, carbon dioxide is taken in. Through these pores, carbon dioxide is taken in. Sunlight is also absorbed through these pores. The next component used is water. Water is absorbed by the roots and it will pass into the leaf. So, leaf can do the process of photosynthesis. The leaf containing green pigment chlorophyll will take carbon dioxide through the pores present over the leaf. Sunlight is also taken through these pores. Water is absorbed by the root and it will be transferred to the leaf. Now, leaf got all the raw materials, right? Green pigment is present there. Water is reached there. Sunlight is absorbed. Carbon dioxide is also absorbed. Now, it's the duty of leaf to do the process of photosynthesis. Leaf will do it. As a result of that, it will produce the food along with oxygen. Now, what will happen to this oxygen? This oxygen will be released out. Oxygen will be released out through the pores of the leaf. And the food produced will be moved to different part of the plant for doing the different activities. This is the structure of stomata. The pores present at the surface of the leaf. You can see two different figures. This is the first one is the figure in which stomata is in open form. That means the two bean-like cells opened the mouth so that carbon dioxide can go in, oxygen can go out. Now in the second figure, you can see that bean-shaped cells are in closed form. So when it is in closed form, carbon dioxide cannot go in, oxygen cannot go out.